Hello children, welcome again to another class of English language. Today children, we are continuing with the revision chapter and we will be discussing question number 16. In question number 16, we are going to learn how to rewrite our sentences using the word did not know. Now what do you understand by the word did or the words did not know? That means something that was not known to you. आपको नहीं मालूम था. Now let us have a look at the questions that I have written over here. I started my questions using the inverted commas and I wrote, what shall I do? Question mark, closed inverted comma, asked Radha. Now in this sentence or in this question, Radha does not know what to do. So what is the verb in the sentence? Do. Who is asking this question? Radha. So, how are we going to write our answers? We will begin our answer using the word Radha. Once we write the subject or the person that is speaking, the name of the person who is saying the sentence or the question, we will write did not know. After writing the words did not know, we will have to write the question word. That means the WH word. Now what is that? What. So Radha did not know what. Now children, while writing the answer, what we are going to do? We are going to remove the words shall I. Okay. And what are we going to write? Radha did not know what to. Now instead of the words shall I, we will be using the word to and then we will write the verb. Now what's the complete answer? Radha did not know what to do. Now let us have a look at the next one. What shall I buy? Asked Anu. Now who is asking this question? Anu. What does Anu want to know? She wants to know what she needs to buy. So we are going to start the answer with the person's name who is saying this question. So who is saying this question? Anu. Now after writing the name, we will use the words that have been given to us in the bracket. Did not know. After writing did not know, we will use the question word. And what's the question word over here? What. Now what did Anu not know? Anu did not know what to. So what are we going to do? We are going to remove the words shall I and write the word to. Once we write the word to, we will write the verb and the verb in this is buy. Now children, let's have a look at the next one. When shall I do it? Asked Helen. So who is asking this question? This question is being asked by Helen. What does she not know? She does not know when to do the work given to her. Now once we write Helen, we will use the words that were given to us in the bracket. Did not know. After writing the words that were given to us in the bracket, we will write the question word. And what's the question word? When. Now once again, we will remove the words shall and I. So we will write the word to and then we write the verb and the remaining part of the remaining sentence. Now what's the complete answer? Helen did not know when to do it. Now children, let's see the next one. How shall I begin? Asked Raj. Now who is saying this question? Raj is saying this question. So we write the person's name as to who is saying this question. Then we write the words did not know. After writing did not know, we will write the question word, that is how. After writing how, we will write to because we remove the words shall I. And now we need to write the verb. What's the verb over here? Begin. Now what's your complete answer? Raj did not know how to begin. So I hope children you have understood how to write your answers or answer the questions that are given to us using the words did not know.